Welcome to Hyperfacts. We're diving into a topic that has revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect: the history of the internet. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. The story of the internet begins in the 1960s, a time when computers were massive machines that filled entire rooms. The concept of connecting these computers to share information was still in its infancy. It all started with a visionary named J.C.R. Licklider, who imagined a galactic network of interconnected computers. His ideas laid the groundwork for what would eventually become the internet. In 1969, the first tangible step towards this vision was taken with the creation of ARPANET, a project funded by the U.S. Department of Defense. ARPANET was designed to enable researchers to share data and resources across long distances. The first message sent over ARPANET was a simple LO, an attempt to type login that crashed the system after the first two letters. Despite this humble beginning, ARPANET quickly expanded, connecting universities and research institutions across the United States. The 1970s saw the development of key technologies that would shape the future of the internet. One of the most significant was packet switching, a method of breaking data into small packets that could be sent independently across a network and reassembled at their destination. This innovation, pioneered by Paul Barron and Donald Davies, made data transmission more efficient and reliable. As ARPANET grew, so did the need for a standardized way to communicate between different networks. Enter Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn, who developed the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and Internet Protocol, IP, in the mid-1970s. These protocols allowed different networks to connect and communicate with each other, forming the foundation of the modern internet. The 1980s brought further advancements and the birth of the domain name system, DNS, which made it easier to navigate the growing network. Instead of remembering complex numerical addresses, users could now use simple domain names like example.com. This decade also saw the rise of email as a popular means of communication, further driving the adoption of the internet. The real game changer came in the early 1990s with the invention of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee. The web introduced a user-friendly interface that allowed people to access and share information through hyperlinks and web pages. This innovation transformed the internet from a tool for researchers and academics into a global phenomenon accessible to anyone with a computer and a modem. The commercialization of the internet in the mid-1990s led to an explosion of growth. Companies like Netscape and AOL brought the internet into homes around the world, and the dot-com boom saw the rise of countless online businesses. The internet became a place for shopping, socializing, and entertainment, fundamentally changing how we interact with the world. As we moved into the 2000s, the internet continued to evolve. Broadband connections replaced dial-up, making the internet faster and more reliable. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube emerged, creating new ways for people to connect and share content. The rise of smartphones and mobile internet access meant that the internet was no longer confined to desktops and laptops. It was now in our pockets, accessible anytime, anywhere. Today, the internet is an integral part of our daily lives. We use it for everything from working and learning to shopping and staying in touch with loved ones. It's hard to imagine a world without it. But as we look to the future, the internet continues to evolve. Technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and 5G are poised to take us into the next era of connectivity. So, there you have it, the fascinating history of the internet, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global powerhouse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Hyperfacts for more intriguing stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The 2000s also saw the rise of e-commerce giants like Amazon and eBay, which transformed the way we shop. Online banking and digital payments became more secure and widespread, making financial transactions easier and more convenient. The internet also became a hub for entertainment, with streaming services like Netflix and Spotify changing the way we consume media. In the 2010s, the internet's influence continued to grow. Social media platforms became powerful tools for communication, activism, and marketing. The rise of influencers and content creators gave birth to new career paths and industries. Meanwhile, cloud computing revolutionized data storage and access, allowing businesses and individuals to store and retrieve information from anywhere in the world. The internet has also had a profound impact on education. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and edX have made education more accessible to people around the globe. Students can now take courses from top universities without leaving their homes, and lifelong learners can acquire new skills at their own pace. As we look to the future, the internet shows no signs of slowing down. The development of 5G technology promises even faster and more reliable connections, enabling new applications like augmented reality, virtual reality, and smart cities. The Internet of Things, IoT, is connecting everyday objects to the internet, creating a more interconnected and efficient world. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also poised to transform the internet. These technologies are already being used to personalize content, improve search results, and enhance cybersecurity. In the coming years, we can expect AI to play an even bigger role in shaping our online experiences. The internet has come a long way since its inception, and its journey is far from over. It has transformed every aspect of our lives, from how we communicate and work to how we learn and entertain ourselves. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the internet will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of technological advancement. So, there you have it, the fascinating history of the internet, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global powerhouse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Hyperfacts for more intriguing stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.